So for today's video, pupunta tayo sa ano to? Palaisdaan.
Chickens! Look! Hello! Wow! Ito yung caretaker namin. Hello! I'm Sam. Ayaw po.
Hi.
Mama Rose! Kilala
Ayaw,
mo na.
may
Siyempre!
Okay naman po.
Hi! So for today's video, nandito tayo sa farm. Kung saan makakita ng mga turkey. Hi turkey!
Hi turkey! Gabo-gabo!
Uh,
Gabo-gabo!
Lagot ka sa Christmas.
nangahabol yan, di ba? Nangahabol yan eh.
Yan.
Of course, your favorite rabbits.
My favorite rabbit.
Ayan yung ano,
Let's look
yung
at the
ano ba yung
rabbits.
fruit na yan? Tawag dyan? Yan. Ito.
Wala akong ka-idea.
Ano
Sigarilyas?
yung- Hindi, yung ano, yung malaki na para may tinik-tinik.
I wanna see the baby
Cactus?
Hindi. Ano tawag dito, Nepsi?
Rabbits?
Dragon.
Dragon fruit. Yan ang dragon.
Yung
Ayun,
pizza.
dragon fruit pala to. Ayun.
The fish?
Yun daw. Dragon fruit.
Oo. Kanino susi?
And then,
Ay,
Baka ano? Sige,
dito
Nina,
natin
balikan mo na lang
matatagpuan
kami.
ang mga tilapia.
Oo.
sige, salamat ninyo.
This is the first pond.
Yeah.
This is
Ito
the
may
that
tilapia.
yes. Ito rin at saka to. Iikot ko kayo tapos yung pinaka taniman ng palay nandun. Tara.
Let's see. Let's go.
Ay ito, wala yung pagkain. Konti lang. Ay baka ano mo siya?
Hindi pa siya masyadong malaki.
Ay ito na.
Ay, nakikita mo? Ay, ayan, lumulundag na.
Ang alin?
Malaki na.
Nasaan?
Nyo. Ay
Oh,
ano
that's tilapia.
Dito mo. Ayan na oh.
Ayan.
Tatlo. Sa kilo. Tatlo, apat.
Oh,
Tatlo, apat.
ayun, ang lalaki, oh.
Sa tingin mo? Very good. Sa harvest kami baka December ma. Bago ano sa tapat namin ng ano.
Lalaki oh.
Ang lalaki.
Kasama yung...
Yes, kasama 'yon. Tara, iikot tayo.
Ah, is that where I'm staying? Diyan ako titira.
Ako dito.
There, that house. It's too small.
Ano to? I-lead mo nga kami. Ano ikutin?
Ano, dito mo?
Avocado.
Doon din daw muna. Avocado po.
Meron tilapia din dito.
Yes, meron.
Avocado.
You can see
Dalawa po
that.
yan.
May tilapia pa din dito.
Ito yung baboy.
Yung baboy muna tayo.
Pupunta tayo sa baboy. Yung tunay na baboy. So, tingnan natin yung mga baboy. Yung tunay na baboy. Not your ex na kung kanino-kanino pumapatol. Ito naman ang mangga. Not your friend na mahilig manggamit. At nandiyan lang pag kailangan ka. Ito yung talong. But I'm sure gusto mo naman sa malaki.
Ay, makbaka.
Ay.
Tumatawid ka dyan ha.
Saan?
Para sa ganito kalaki. Kaya iniisip namin baka tamnan na lang ng dragon fruit. This is nice kasi may malakas na patubig dito.
Oo, maganda.
Diretso.
Dragon fruit kasi dito sa araw.
Tara. Iikutin nyo yung isang hektarya. Tara.
This is my new home.
May aircon.
This is my new home.
Ayun,
Diyan,
doon
yan
dyan.
yung ano, pwede tayong mag-fire niyan dyan pag ano. Naapaano mo na ba yung aircon? Bakit hindi mo pa napakalinis? Ito naman.
Ano ito mga?
Kalamansi, ayan, oh.
Kalamansi. Ayan. Tunay na kalamansi. Maasim. Pero tunay na kalamansi yan. Hindi katulad ng mga friends mo na maasim.
Oo.
That coconut? Is there one coconut dito sa left?
Ganda dito. Look.
Oh, right? Yes. Hindi. Ito pa ng lupa. So, yan. Yung mga coconut na yan. Alam, tatagal na ito eh, no? Pakpak na. At ito lang.
Let's go on this walk.
Let's go for a walk.
For today's video. I've got my, how to call that? My thingy. Hold this.
Which one?
So for today's video, it's really, really hot.
It's really hot. We're at our Kuya's farm. There's lots of tilapia and chickens and rabbits and piggies.
And hopefully no snakes.
Yeah, that's what I remembered. I was like, la la. Oh, there could be snakes. It's fun.
So where does it end? Up to there?
Yeah, to this roof. Oh, the wall.
Just here? And then
Yeah.
up to where?
Oh, the one of those coconuts.
This one is here?
Yeah,
Not there?
the ones over.
At the far end?
Yeah,
Up
one of-
and this side, which end?
to this wall on that side, I think.
Ah, alright.
So,
Medyo malaki.
oh, tilapia.
There's the tilapia.
It's a
Show the tilapia.
Hi, fishy. Hi, fish.
Hey tilapia. I like tilapia. Do you like tilapia?
Yes.
I like tilapia.
With lots of toyo and rice.
Yeah, and also with tomatoes and
Ooh,
onions.
Yes. I'm gonna
and
take
calamansi
calamansi.
for the toyo.
Yeah, so it's not too salty. Wow. I want to with animals. Of course, Kuya Jigs has lots of animals. Yung bahay ni tapos yung babuyan, yun ang aayusin ni Daniel. Tapos ito mga travel like Eden, if I can say.
They might chase you. I think they will. Like this one is really aggressive.
Yeah.
That one.
That's my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Hi. You come here often? How do you feel? Hi, doggy. Come back.
Oh, this is my son's farm
In
in
Bataan.
Bataan.
Ah.
Ayan.
It's like a baby turkey. Baby turkey. Pasok tayo sa sa rest house uniform.
Bukas na yan, Tinat.
Ah, okay. Bitaan namin eh. Wala pang kabay. Look at our friends.
Yeah. They're leading the way.
It's our posse.
This is the open toilet.
Nice with a view.
The toilet with a view.
Toilet with a view.
Where you can take a bath while people are watching.
All the chickens.
Yeah. All the chicken and people too.
Kaya, hindi pa yan pwede. Wala pa nga lumalabas sa saging. Tatanggalin mo.
So we're going inside the house.
The house. Ito yung mga naiwang plants ni...
In the middle of the farm.
Yes.
Yes,
Binibili dapat
tayo
na ni
na.
Trixie.
Oh,
Oh, this is the
ay wala
house.
siya ngayon eh. Kaya hindi nakakadilig.
Let's see what's inside. You tell them about it
Kasi ito ayusin din
So,
yung
hold it.
niya eh.
and then show them the inside.
Ay, man. Punta ka sa likod. Ayan. Pang-alaga.
You tell them about it.
Oh,
So
it's
this is the house.
this is the house. It's nice and cozy and clean.
So there's a removable curtain. So now it's back.
Yes.
And there's Sam. She feels really hot.
Medyo mainit na. Pero ang ginagawa dito, binubuksan talaga.
Ako kunyari lang, pero basa na yung kilikili ko. Hindi naman nababasa yung kilikili ko. But today, for today's video, it's a yes. Ha?
Dito, dito daw matutulog si James.
So yun na yun. Pagbisita namin sa farm, hindi na namin pinuntahan yung mga malalaking place doon kasi it's too far at mainit. So pupunta naman kami dun sa ibang lugar naman. See you later. Habang my little sister is playing with the rabbits. Ha?
Nasasarapan yung bag.
Yeah, kasi yung init eh.
Here you go. Ah, that's a spider.
We like the fan. The rabbits.
Hi.
Hi, are you guys okay? Okay kayo dyan, guys?
You guys okay? I'm your #1 fan.
Yeah.
Hi.
We are your 2 fans.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you've got 2 fans.
Oh. They should be in the grass. Oh no, maybe they might get eaten by a snake.
Yeah. This is the new, how do you call this? The new BTS merchandise.
Yeah.
No lighting, just fans.
Just fans.
Because we're fans. Naku, 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 naku. Naku, 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 naku. Ay nga, Tagalog kasi yan.
Oh,
Naku, 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 naku.
Excuse me, sir, ma'am.
Ayaw din. Naku, 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 naku. Naku, 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 naku. Naku, 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 naku. Dead mo.
He's like, what are you looking at?
Yeah, you're a big cock. Right?
The biggest I've ever seen.
The biggest cock we've ever seen. Here. Hey, you cock.
Wait, where's your eyes? What's in your
The balls
face,
are covering it.
Sir? Sir, there's
Hey.
something on your face. Sir? Pakar? Pak, pak, pakar, pak, pakar, pak, pak.
Hi.
Pakar, pak, pak, pak. Please don't eat me. Wow, you're so big and pretty. Wait, don't snob me. Excuse me, sir.
We're done. Oh, nag-enjoy ka ba, ma?
Yes.
Oh, nag-enjoy siya. Masakay ka na. Upo ka na dyan.
Asan na yung limousine mo?
Ayan o. Yung dala naming sasakyan. Sakay naman.
Tara na.
Sam, let's go, Sammy. We're leaving on a tricycle,
On a
not on a jet
tricycle.
plane.
Rabbit.
We're leaving on a tricycle. We don't know when we'll be back again. Aray ko. Nauntog pa. Uy. I'm too tall for the ceiling. Bye. 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 Thank you. Bye. Buyers. Bye. Woo. Bye. Say goodbye. Bye.
Eh, pagdating na kuya mo, si Jeff daw dito matutulog.
Bye.